Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be discussing the dwarf planet Pluto, a fascinating and mysterious object in our solar system. From its unique orbit and surface features, to its potential for subsurface liquid water and past or current microbial life, Pluto is a subject of ongoing scientific interest. We'll be exploring the latest research and discoveries about this distant world, and discussing the implications of our findings for our understanding of the solar system and its formation. So sit back, relax, and join us as we delve into the exciting world of Pluto. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Pluto is a dwarf planet in our solar system that was discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh. It is the second closest dwarf planet to the Sun, and the ninth largest object in the solar system. It is primarily composed of rock and ice. Its orbit is highly eccentric and inclined relative to the other planets. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, reclassified Pluto as a dwarf planet, a new category of objects in the solar system. Pluto has 5 known moons: Charon, Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra. Charon, the largest of these moons, is also the closest to Pluto and is so large that the two objects are sometimes considered a binary system. Pluto has a highly varied surface, with mountains, valleys, and plains. Its surface is covered with ice, which is composed of frozen nitrogen, methane, and carbon dioxide. The atmosphere of Pluto is primarily composed of nitrogen and is very thin, only becoming visible when the dwarf planet is closest to the Sun. Pluto has not been visited by any spacecraft, but it was studied by NASA's New Horizons spacecraft in 2015, which provided the first close-up images of the dwarf planet and revealed many new details about its geology, surface features, and atmosphere. In addition to the New Horizons mission, there have been several other proposed missions to Pluto and the Kuiper Belt, the region of the solar system beyond Neptune that Pluto is a part of. These include NASA's proposed Pluto-Kuiper Express and the European Space Agency's proposed Laplace mission. These missions would help scientists to learn more about the dwarf planet and its moons, as well as the Kuiper Belt as a whole. Pluto's discovery in 1930 was a major breakthrough in our understanding of the solar system. At the time, it was thought that there were only 9 planets in the solar system, and the discovery of Pluto expanded our understanding of the outer reaches of the solar system. However, in the years following its discovery, there were debates about whether Pluto should be considered a planet or not, and in 2006, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, reclassified it as a dwarf planet. This decision was based on the fact that Pluto is much smaller than any of the other planets and that it is one of many objects in the Kuiper Belt. Overall, Pluto is a fascinating object in our solar system, with a unique history and many mysteries yet to be uncovered. There is still much to learn about Pluto and the Kuiper Belt, and future missions will likely continue to provide new insights into this distant corner of our solar system. One of the most interesting things about Pluto is the fact that it has a highly elongated orbit, which takes it from inside Neptune's orbit, to as far as 49 astronomical units from the Sun. This means that for about 20 years out of every 248 Earth years, Pluto is closer to the Sun than Neptune is. Another interesting fact about Pluto is its surface features, which have been found to have a diverse range of geology, including mountains, valleys, and plains. Some of the surface features have been named after famous explorers such as Shackleton, Amundsen, and Scott. Pluto's atmosphere is also quite unique. It is primarily composed of nitrogen, with trace amounts of methane and carbon monoxide. The atmosphere is very thin and becomes visible only when Pluto is closest to the Sun. During the rest of its orbit, the atmosphere collapses and freezes onto the surface. Additionally, Pluto has 5 known moons: Charon, Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra. Charon, the largest of these moons, is also the closest to Pluto and is so large that the two objects are sometimes considered a binary system. These moons are also believed to have formed from a collision between Pluto and another object in the early days of the solar system. Overall, Pluto is a fascinating object in our solar system, with a unique history and many mysteries yet to be uncovered. Though reclassified as a dwarf planet, it continues to be a subject of interest for many scientists and researchers. Another interesting fact about Pluto is that it has a very complex surface with a wide range of terrains, including icy mountains, smooth plains, and deep valleys. Some of the surface features have been found to have a reddish tint, which is believed to be caused by the presence of flins, a type of organic compound that is formed when ultraviolet radiation reacts with methane in the atmosphere. Pluto's atmosphere also has a number of dynamic features, including hazes and winds. The atmosphere is also known to have a seasonal variability, as the atmosphere collapses and freezes onto the surface when Pluto is farthest from the Sun, and expands when it is closest to the Sun. Scientists are also studying the potential for subsurface oceans on Pluto. Some observations have suggested the presence of a subsurface ocean beneath its icy surface, which would be kept liquid by the pressure and heat generated by the decay of radioactive elements in the dwarf planet's interior. The study of Pluto and its moons also provides insight into the early history and formation of the solar system. The study of the Kuiper Belt, the region of the solar system beyond Neptune where Pluto is located, is helping scientists to understand the processes that shape the outer solar system, including the formation of icy dwarf planets and the distribution of small objects. Overall, Pluto is a fascinating object in our solar system, with many unique features and ongoing mysteries. Even though it is not officially considered a planet, it continues to be an object of significant scientific interest, and future missions are planned to study it further. Another aspect of Pluto that is of scientific interest is its potential for past or current subsurface liquid water. This could potentially mean that the dwarf planet could host microbial life, or that it could have once had conditions suitable for life in the past. This could make Pluto a target for future missions to search for signs of past or present life beyond Earth. Pluto's atmosphere is also a topic of ongoing research. The New Horizons spacecraft detected a tenuous atmosphere consisting primarily of nitrogen, with small amounts of methane and carbon monoxide, and it is known to be in a state of constant change, with the atmosphere collapsing and freezing onto the surface when Pluto is farthest from the Sun, and expanding when it is closest to the Sun. Scientists have also observed seasonal changes on the surface of Pluto, including changes in the brightness and color of its surface features. For example, the brightness of the polar ice cap changes with the seasons, as the ice cap sublimates, changes from solid to gas, and then condenses again. The study of Pluto and its moons, as well as the Kuiper Belt region, is also helping scientists to better understand the processes that shape the solar system. For example, the study of the Kuiper Belt is helping scientists to understand the processes that led to the formation of dwarf planets, as well as the distribution of small objects in the outer solar system. Overall, Pluto is a fascinating object in our solar system, with many unique features and ongoing mysteries. It has a complex geology, dynamic atmosphere, and the potential for subsurface liquid water, and it continues to be an object of significant scientific interest for researchers. Thanks for watching our video on Pluto. We hope you enjoyed learning about this fascinating dwarf planet and its many unique features. From its elongated orbit, to its diverse surface features and potential for subsurface liquid water, there's no doubt that Pluto is an object of ongoing scientific interest. We'll be sure to keep you updated on any new discoveries or missions to Pluto in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on space and astronomy. See you next time.